Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. We are so happy you are here today. My name is Leo.
And my name is Anna. Leo, can I ask you something? Do you want to speak English more confidently, but don't know how to practice every day?
If the answer is yes, then today's lesson is perfect for you. We will help you think in English, listen in English, and speak in English.
So stay with us. Let's learn English in a simple and fun way.
Today's story is short and easy. Just relax. Listen to the main idea. Don't worry about every word.
The story is called The Lost Bag.
Anna, why are you looking around like that?
Leo, I lost my bag.
Oh no. Where did you last see it?
I think I left it on the bus. I was talking on the phone and I forgot to take it with me.
That happens. What was inside the bag?
My wallet, my notebook, and a chocolate bar.
Ah, the chocolate. Yes, that is the real problem.
Exactly. And my notebook. I need it for work.
Did you call the bus company?
Yes. A man answered and said, "We found a small blue bag. You can come pick it up."
That's great news. So your bag is safe.
Yes. I felt so relieved. I really thought it was gone forever.
Sometimes we lose things, but sometimes kind people help us.
Yes, and sometimes the chocolate survives too.
Now, let's learn some useful vocabulary from the story. Repeat after me.
1. Lose. Meaning: not know where something is. Example: I lost my keys. Or, she lost her phone yesterday. 2. Relieved. Meaning: happy and calm after a problem is solved. Example: I felt relieved when I found my wallet. Or, he was relieved after the test. 3. Pick up. Meaning: go and get something. Example: I will pick up my bag at the bus office. Or, please pick up your package at the post office. 4. Safe. Meaning: not in danger. Okay. Example: my bag is safe. Or, the children are safe at home. 5. Forever. Meaning: for all time, never ending. Example: I thought it was lost forever.
Great job! Simple words, but very useful in daily conversations.
Now it's your turn. I will ask questions. You answer out loud. Don't worry, just try. Speaking is how you improve.
Question 1. What did Anna lose?
Answer: her bag. Question 2. Where did she think she left it? Answer: on the bus. Question 3. What was inside the bag? Answer: her wallet, her notebook, and chocolate.
Question 4. Did the bus company find her bag?
Answer: Yes, they found it. Question 5. How did Anna feel after she heard the news? Answer: She felt relieved.
Well done. Speaking out loud makes your brain faster and more confident.
You are doing an amazing job today. Really, every answer you say out loud makes your English stronger.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You only need to practice a little every day.
Even 5 minutes is enough. Small steps become big progress.
And you are not alone. We are learning together. We are proud of you.
If you enjoyed today's speaking practice, please click like. It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Talk for more easy lessons every week.
Also, watch our next episode after this one. It has another short story that will help you speak more naturally.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing,
Keep smiling.
and see you next time.
Bye, everyone.